This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at some information and how to pronounce the name of this increasingly popular appellation located in Spain. We are looking at information and pronunciation of the appellation, the DO, the Denominacion de Origen of Jumilla. So Jumilla is located in the province of Murcia, in the coast, on the Mediterranean coast of Spain, sandwiched between the appellations of Yecla and Buyas. Jumilla grows primarily red wines made from the Monastrell, that is also called in France the Mourvèdre grape variety. The French Mourvèdre grape variety is called Monastrell in Spain. One of the top producers, one of the most famous producers of Jumilla, making Monastrell wines such as the Clio wine as well as El Nido, is Bodegas El Nido. But you will find other producers in Jumilla such as Casa Castillo or Bodegas Juan Gil, also Bodegas Ego, but the top producer is called Bodegas El Nido. Mourvèdre, Monastrell, Jumilla. How do you go about pronouncing Jumilla? Just say Ju, just with the typical J, the Spanish J, la J, Jumilla, Jumilla, Jumilla. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine, in the wonderful world of vino. Hasta luego. Bye bye. Au revoir.